It's 6:45. That's what we're gonna pretend. Everything is working. Everything is up. My Docker container is not down. I repeat, my Docker container is not down. All right, it's been like a week, right? It's been a week since I streamed. 12 days. How many days? How many days? Wait, hold on. How many days has it been since I last streamed? It's been a minute. It's been a week. Oh, it's only been a week. Oh, dude. Okay. All right, it's only been a week. In this week, what have I been doing? Living my life. That's what I've been doing. I've been living my life. But more specifically, what have I been doing? I've been, I went to some conventions, which I kind of regret. What? We're still cooking. We're still going. But, I just want to get into animazement. We did the other ones, but I just want to get into animazement. We get into animazement with like all four of our panels, even like 3 of our panels. It's going to be pretty cool. It's going to be pretty awesome. Very excited. Very excited if we get to do that. Love anime conventions. Love anime. Huge weeb. Massive weeb. Huge weeb. But today, what are we doing? What are we doing today? Should I update OBS? I don't know. Oh, wait. Hold on. Help. Check for updates. There we go. Oh, there is a new version out. Neat. Okay. I'm not going to update. I'm streaming. But what are we doing? All right. So last week, I don't remember what I did. I have no clue. I'm trying to find out if my game is fun. That's for sure. While also trying to live a life and also do other stuff. So where are we at? We are... Oh, apparently we... Okay. So apparently we got the projectile to follow a straight line. Is this true? Is this accurate? Is this accurate at all? I don't know. But this is what my notes are saying, and I'm inclined to believe that I wouldn't just check off things that aren't actually done. So let's go ahead and assume that Past Me is telling the truth, even though Past Me cannot write code that I would understand for the life of me. And all right, so what do we gotta do? We gotta implement health and damage. I think I started doing that. I think I started to implement health and damage. Wait, hold on. I think I started to implement health and damage last time. What else are we doing? We're gonna implement our interactions, introduce some juice, make a start scene, make a win-lose scene. I don't think I really need a win-lose scene. We just need like a win-lose like thing. Like a thing that's like win, you win, you know, something like that. Let's see, a little heads up display for joined players. Okay, a lot of these require UI assets. A lot of them require UI assets. Bump. A lot of them require UI assets. So we're going to need, all right, so we're going to do UI assets in this is hot as hell. We're going to do UI assets in sky blue. All right, so this is a UI asset. Yeah, this is a good UI color. I do feel like this is the color of UI. That's the color. We need assets for that. This more specifically isn't really an UI asset. This is though. Implement win-lose is pure code. All right. Start scene, yeah, it's a UI asset. Win-lose scene, that's a UI asset. Make a little heads-up displays. That's actually not a UI asset. That's actually going to be a sprite renderer. Yeah. We're gonna have to bust out the Photoshop for this bad boy. So yeah, and then we're gonna have another color for art. So this is gonna be shadograph. Ooh, that actually might be pretty fun to do a little shader graph today. I want to get done with the systems. This is like this right here. This is going to be one of the major systems that we're going to have to implement. This is pretty much the last major system. Because after we do this one and this one, that's the last. These are our last three systems. We gotta do shader graph. That's pretty fun. Do I want to save to do that for later? Do I want to save shader graph funness, goodness, gooiness for later? That could be a really good short / video doing shader graph. I know there are already a bunch of videos on shader graph. Like we can prove this right now. I can Google Unity shader graph. Yeah, there's a ton of stuff. Wow. Look, there's a Brackeys video on the basics of shader graph. Ooh, there's a full shader graph tutorial by Code Monkey. Holy shit. We might watch this, maybe. We might watch this. We might. I don't know. I don't know if we watch this. But we have a character, and then we should be able to do... We're probably going to read some articles on shader graph, honestly. I'm eschewing video tutorials in favor of like written articles, because I find that they're more information dense. Like, videos are cool. It's kind of ironic, but it's kind of ironic. It's like, oh, I'm gonna try and make videos. Well, I'm gonna try and make videos because I think I could make like a funny video about shader graph. I feel like. So, average views, subscribers, add in the last 7 days. Top creator, Brackeys. Times in title, 7 of 14. Times in description, 0. Closed captioning. At least I think that's what that stands for. That's an ad. Yo, how do you use YouTube, bro? Like, how do you search for anything on YouTube? Like, this is crazy. Damn. Is it ProZD who put out that video who's like, oh, you actually can't see my screen. Oh, my watch died. These are the same videos. Sort of. Not quite. Watch B full screen FX in Unity. How to trigger. Interactive wind shader for your foliage. Huh, neat. So yeah, we're probably gonna do like a shaders thing. Is this my page? Page should be here. We're probably gonna do like a full-fledged shader thing. I don't know what though, but we're gonna do like a full-fledged shader thing. I don't know how, I don't know when, but we might. So I'm trying to figure out what to do today. I don't want to do anything boring. I kind of don't want to do anything boring, like low-key. I want to take some time. See, okay, here's what's hard. Here's what's hard, right? I don't want to do anything boring, but at the same time, there's a lot of boring shit on this list. I don't want to do anything boring, but there's so many boring things. We could just blast off, because I'm going to be live for like 3 hours. So we could blast off all the UI, all the UI, okay? Blast off all the UI. And then, let's see. Yeah, I think I might just try and do health and damage. We started health and damage, I'm pretty sure we started health and damage. So we might try to do health and damage, win, lose, create a start scene, even though it's really boring, and then create a win, lose, which is probably going to be less of a win, lose scene, more of a just like text. It's gonna be less of like a win, lose, more of just like oh, here's some text. This I want like a whole stream for, but I kind of want to start it, and then once we get done with that, then we would start doing this. So everything we're gonna do Arc 4 today. I know I said, oh, I don't want to do anything boring, but sometimes you just gotta do boring shit. Sometimes it be like that. It's like, damn, I really hate doing boring shit, but sometimes that's just how game development is. Game development has boring tasks. And sometimes you just gotta do them. That's it. That's the short. We're done. Game development is boring sometimes. It'd be boring as hell. All right, so we're gonna do these two. I personally find doing UI extremely boring. It's so important, but it's so fucking boring, especially when it's a lot of. I feel like I'm burned out. So all right, let me check to see what we have done so far, because this is kind of simple. We should probably be able to bang this out. Especially since we're trying to prototype. We're trying to do this thing where we do prototyping, which means we don't write. We're not thinking about we're not thinking about production ready code. We're just banging it out. That's all we're doing. I wanted to open this up. What was my last commit on this? Damn. Oh, we had some history. Okay, we had a couple. All right, here we go. Okay, so we did make a player health manager. That does exist. A player health manager does exist. I repeat, a player health manager does exist. Where is it located? Oops. Player health manager. Okay, cool. So we have a player health manager. I assume it's on a scene object, probably a game manager object, I would guess. That's I reckon, if Past Me has any sense, but we all know how I feel about Past Me. If Past Me has any sense, it'll be on something reasonable and understandable. But again, we all know how we feel about Past Me, and lo and behold, not there. Not there. Tap the sign, fucking past ass bitch. All right, we have 0 scene references. We have a couple of references to this. Player join handler. Oh, this is from system notification. Yeah, so player damaged, player joined. Okay, so player health dict. Okay, so when a player joins, we take their instance ID and Alright, where's my controller? I think we fixed all the stuff. I don't even know how. I don't even remember how, but somehow we did it. I don't remember how any of that shit was fixed, but it was. All right, so let's go through and do a little testy test. I know we were like playing with vectors, but I don't remember if we learned anything. we were just chilling, playing around with vectors. Yeah, those pink vector lines are wrong. Damn. They don't really fire fast enough. They kind of move kind of slow. But yeah, I think I want to add some acceleration on them. And then I also, well, I can't jump off these. I need to be able to jump off these. All right, but yeah. I mean, this is pretty much the movement. Okay, I think that's enough. Just trying to get a feel of what the hell's going on. Let me put my watch. I'll be right back. Gotta charge my watch. That's such a stupid statement. Gotta charge my watch. So what are we doing today? All right. Okay. Have I figured out what we're doing today? Yeah. I guess we're finishing health. We're finishing health because we have some scripts for it. We got this. I assume system notification. That player joined is like hooked up? Question mark. I don't know. Yeah, somebody's referencing it. Okay. Hardware input. Okay. It calls it its start. That's fair. Okay, that's fair. Yeah. And then health manager assigns an awake. Yep. Okay. All right. So yeah, that's fine. And then hardware manager assigns itself and start, or yeah, assigns itself to a player with hardware input with the game object instance ID. All right. And then I want to, what else? Oh, actually, hold on. Well, actually, this isn't in a scene. Let's put that in a scene. On the health manager, like any reasonable person, or game manager. Like a reasonable person. Starting health 3, and then we'll probably have a UI that'll hook onto these exact same like player UI. It's probably gonna have like a player name, and it's probably gonna have like it's gonna be screen space. It's gonna be screen space for sure. Vertical layout group, because I think yeah, because probably what I'm gonna need to do, right, is do something like, so we have a UI manager. So we got, hold on. So we got, all right, this is our UI manager. It is a screen space canvas, right? And then the bottom, like fourth or whatever, we have our horizontal layout group. Horizontal layout. And then in each layout group, we have an instance of player UI. And then in each player UI, we have like player name, or we have name, which is going to just for now be player 1, player 2. God damn it. God damn it. All right, hold on. We're gonna do play. Fuck me. I'm trying to write name, but I keep writing player. There we go. We go name, and then we have health, arts. All right, that's how that's gonna work. So each one is gonna be like player 1 with 3 health hearts. It's just gonna look like this. And they have player 2. This guy's little 3 health hearts. All right, so we need to make that, and then so the player manager, the UI manager. So we need to have like some sort of packet of information, some like player info or something that gets passed when somebody joins. So currently the only thing this has is a instance ID, which I think is fine for now. But basically the UI manager listens to sys nodi, right, for player joined. And then player joined, and then from here it like does all of these things. It like instantiates the player UI, puts it into the thing, keeps a record of like the number of players. So very similar to player damage, because here the player health update, the player update health manager pretty much assigns you a starting health, and then player damage manager, and then we'll probably do like system update, player health change, right? I need to find a better way to do the system notifications. I don't like it. It works, but I don't like it. Yeah. Because then the player health manager, I don't know if this is getting fucky. It feels a little fucky, not gonna lie. I got a little bit of a code smell. It's giving me a little bit of a code smell right now. And so the knowledge that I'm just gonna completely drop all of this, on one hand, hurts me. Okay. All right. This is why prototyping is hard, right? This is why prototyping your game is difficult, okay? Because when I'm writing code, when you're prototyping, you're supposed... Oh, hello. When you're prototyping, you're supposed to write bad code, right? It's supposed to not be production ready, right? I'm writing all this and I'm getting a code smell. It's giving code smell. And just for reference, code smell is basically you look at code and you're like, this isn't right. This feels wrong. Your code sense, it's like code spidey senses, okay? My code smell senses are tingling, all right? This doesn't feel good. But the only thing that's keeping me going is the fact that I'm gonna throw all this away. But that's the thing. I'm gonna throw all this away. And that's why, because you end up throwing all this code you wrote away. And it just feels bad. It just feels like wasted effort. And that is why prototyping your game is hard. And then we'll like do another loop, okay? This is why we did a loop. We did a short loop. Yay. We did a, I think. Wait, hold on. Recapture that? Yeah, we captured it. So Okay, this is why prototyping for new game projects is incredibly difficult. Okay, because you end up writing all this code, right? You end up writing all this code just to find out if it's fun, just to find out if it's fun. And the point of prototyping is that you're not supposed to bring any of the code over to production. Okay, cool. And at the same time, this code's giving me a code smell. But at the same time, you're gonna scrap it anyway. And just the thought of scrapping all this code, even though it's smelly, has got my sunk cost fallacy just kicking in. It is screaming at me. It's screaming at me to say, hey, make this code useful, make this code production ready. But I'm supposed to be prototyping. And you can't do that when you're prototyping. Or else you spend like 9 months working on something that should have taken you 2 weeks. And that is why, boom, and then we do the thing. Aha, we did it. Haha, we did it. Okay. All right. We did it. We did another looper. Dude. Ugh. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was generating more code smell. That's what I was doing. I mean, I don't know if it's bad to have this granular of events, but I feel like there should just be a better way to do it. I feel like, actually, really, the real move here, okay, is creating this is adapting this for game events. That's the real move. The real move here is refactoring game events such that it allows me to have like channels, pretty much. And so you enter a game. Yeah, I can. Okay, hold on. Player health updated. All right, and this is going to be a player health manager, origin, and this is going to be instance ID, and it's going to be int updated health. All right. Okay. And so if origin not equal null, you dickhead. Player health updated, player health update event question mark dot invoke. Yeah. Create it. Create. No. Dickhead. Fucking dickhead. Public delegate. Void. Player health update. Instance ID and updated health. And then a public static event. Player health update. Update event. Okay. And so people subscribe to player health update. Let me go ahead and make that really quick. So it's going to be my UI manager. UI manager. I don't know if I hit the right button on that. Name, assets, public class. UI manager extends game object. Oh no, it's not game object. It's a mono behavior. Mono behavior. Oh yeah. All right, because this is going to be attached, and then we want awake. We want to say system notification. Dot player help update plus equals player health. Player health update handler. There we go. Boom. Handled the update. And what else are we doing? I don't know what else we're doing. Dude, I love this song. I think we're done playing around in some of these files. So this ends up calling system notification at some point. System notification dot player health updated, and then it goes instance ID and it goes updated health. All right, so here we have, this is like the tiny bits of implementation for this. So we have if player health contains the key instance ID, grab it, minus it. If the health's less than 0, do game over. Else, well, actually, I probably wouldn't. We would probably trigger. Actually, we'd probably trigger the same thing, because we would let the game manager determine whether or not game is over, or like whatever happens. So I don't know. I'm not going to use this code again. Okay, fine. Whatever. All right. It's my brain. My brain is fighting me. All right. So if it doesn't equal, I mean, you probably want to do that regardless. You probably want to say player health updated regardless. So system health, player health updated. Updated health is going to be player health dict. And that's going to be instance ID. Whatever that number is. And then if, I don't know. We'll just do this. Player health updated. So we updated somebody's player health, and then UI manager has subscribed to this. So, and then they'll just like do it. And so we need a serialized field. It's a game object. It's called player HUD prefab. That is not in the right place. Player HUD prefab, and then it will do that. We probably also need a reference to the vertical layout group so I can parent it. I don't know what this is called. I don't know if it's called, or horizontal. Can I just say that? Oh, nice. Horizontal layout group. Horizontal layout group. And what else am I gonna need? I don't know. I'm gonna need some privates because we want a player HUD instance. Well, we probably want a dictionary of player HUD instances. And also, do I want to subscribe to Player Joined? I think I do. I also want to subscribe to Player Joined. So, system notification, Player Joined event. I want to subscribe to this as well. And this is Player Joined handler. All right. And this way I can have my dictionary. So we can have private dictionary. This is a class that doesn't exist, but it's going to be called like player HUD. Player HUD instance doesn't exist. I know. Player HUD instance. Public. This is going to be attached on top of the prefabs, so this is also going to extend to mono behavior. What it's going to do is actually handle like, so the UI manager is going to call into this directly. It's gonna call into this directly and like set everything up pretty much. So it's gonna be called and it's gonna be player UIs. That's what it's gonna be called. Player UIs. Boop. And then we're gonna do this, and then on player health, on player joined handler. We will call player UIs. We will add. Well, actually, here's what we're going to do. We're going to instantiate a player HUD prefab. Also on awake, I will store a private canvas. Canvas, and then this will be my main canvas. This is gonna be my main canvas, and then here, main canvas, we're gonna be like main canvas equals game object dot find, right? Yeah, find object with tag find. Find with tag, and that's global. Nope. Yep. Project specific globals dot some shit tags dot in canvas dot toString dot toString. Why are you crying at me? Oh, right. Because you can't convert game object to tag. Game object dot get component canvas. I think it's a game component canvas. Yeah. Now this requires a game object to exist, a canvas in the scene tagged with canvas. We do have a canvas. Is it already tagged with canvas? It is not. I think it's called main canvas. Like capital like that, I think. Yeah. It's called main canvas. main. Okay, I don't know why. I was just looking at the word main and I was like, that does not say main. It does. All right, so that's tagged. This exists. So we got main canvas. Because what I want to do is be like instantiate. Actually, I actually don't need to do that, I don't think. But main canvas, the player prefab, and then assign a parent, and its parent is going to be the horizontal layout group. Horizontal layout group dot transform. I think that's it. It's just going to be a bunch of UI elements, which I haven't made yet. So we're going to instantiate this. So it's going to be var player HUD go player HUD game object, and then I want to say var player HUD instance equals player HUD go dot get component. Yeah, exactly. And then I want to say whatever that dictionary called, which I think is player UIs. Player UIs dot add. Boom. Look at that. Then we want to do that. And I think that's it. That's all UI Manager needs to do when somebody joins the game. All right, so I don't think, yeah. Hold on, I need to find out if get instance ID. All right, the instance ID acts as a hander to the in-memory instance. Always unique, never has the value 0. Objects loaded from file will be assigned a positive instance ID. Newly created object will have a negative, what? Newly created object will have a negative instance ID and retain the negative value, even if the object is later saved to a file. Therefore, the sign of the instance value is not a safe indicator of whether or not the object is persistent. The ID changes between sessions of the player runtime and editor. As such, the ID is not reliable for performing actions that could span between sessions. For example, loading an object state from a file. Okay, got you. Got you. Understood. Okay, that's what I wanted to know. So it's the same as long as okay, it should be fun. It should be fun. It should be fun. It should be fun. It'll be fun. It'll be fun. And then update handler. So here I want to go in my player utils, and I want to say, so I want to be like if player utils. Yep, that's exactly what I wanted. And then if I want to say what do I want to do? I want to get the key, and then I want to call, like, I don't know, like update health, probably. That's probably simple enough that I could just do. We could just do that. It doesn't matter. We could just do it. So player utils bop 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 bop, and then we'll say update health. Doesn't exist. I know you're gonna scream at me. And then so wait, hold on, what is this? So the updated health is the damage amount. Okay, yeah, this is just the new health value. Okay, got you. Update health, and then we go update health. That's the new health value. Reselect your file history drive. That seems bad. That seems real bad. Public Public health. This is gonna need references to serialized field. I actually don't know how I did it. There is a scene in the other project. Oh, thank God I'm logged in. Paid mode. Assets. Scripts. Is it definition power? I thought it was like friendship something. Friendship. Oh, friend system. Nice. Okay, so here in the friend system, on incorrect answer. Oh, heart lost event. Fuck. It just raises a heart lost event. Fucking hell. So who listens to this heart lost event? Heart controller. There it is. Heart loss event handler. All right, so grid layout. Enable false image heart image dot count. What the fuck? Okay, it's just a list. Count dot one. It gets the low one at the end of the list. Oh. Heart dot game object dot transform dot get child one. Image component. Okay, so there's an image component in the, okay, all right, this is pretty complicated. And then heart volume transform position, vector 2 final position. Oh, like, oh yeah, I remember this. Yeah, because they were like stacked on top of each other. And so it was like a normal heart color, and then like a darkened heart, a blackened heart, I guess. And then the normal heart color would like fly off the screen. Oh no, apparently it would tween the color. Never mind. I think it would do both. Why is it disabling the layout group? Oh, it was, yeah, no, it was definitely moving it. It was for sure moving it. Because see, it grabbed the current position, and then it just maxed the Y by 2000. And then it's doing an anchor position, which I'm not entirely sure what that does, but it's a tween that probably moves it. And then there's like a color. It does something to the image. Okay, that makes sense. So here I would need reference to the heart. Yeah, it had like a list of heart images. So we would need, since we technically don't know how many hearts, it would be a list of an image, and it would be health images. Actually, wait, hold on. It would be a sprite, actually. Sprite, and it would be health art sprite. That's how that would go. And then we would probably need something else. I don't know what else we need. Because basically, I would need my Text Mesh Pro. Text, I think it's like TMP, right? Yeah. TMP dot text. TMP dot TMP underscore text. There it is. I was like, it's somewhere. It's something. And then that would be the player name. So that would be the player name text. And then what else would we probably have? I don't know. But here you would like probably do some tweening. Or losing or gaining art. Or losing health. We would also have a public void initialize HUD. And we would pass in a string name, and we would pass in a int total health. Probably like an int like starting health, I guess. Starting health. And then we'd probably have another horizontal layout group, most likely. Then we could do horizontal layout group. We'll just do heart layout group. And then instantiate an image. Maybe I just want to make this a prefab that already has an image. Yeah, probably. Yeah. This is a game object, heart, health, prefab. And then here, when we're initializing our health, we would say for int I less than starting health, I plus plus instantiate what is this? Heart health prefab. And the player would be the heart health layout group. Yeah, fuck it. Quaternion idea. Identity, fuck it. Dot transform. Hello? Object. Oh, that's a vector position. My bad. Alright. Vector position. That's our. Oh, and we probably want to store a reference. This is the game object. And then I want just a private list of images. Because that's what they're going to be. We're going to say go.component. Then we're going to say image. And we're going to say this. And we're going to be like hearts.add, hearts.add. And we're going to do that. Boom. And we add them into an image. And then we say our player name text.text equals name. Easy. Initialize the HUD. You can probably get these to like, yeah, you can like tween these any way you want, I guess. but I don't know. I'm gonna do like have them like grow in, and then like, you know, whoop, 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 you know, like kind of do like a pop in. I don't know how I want to do it. It doesn't matter right now. So update health, initialize HUD. Yeah. And then we'll have a private int called players added, which is normally 0. Players added, player.add.util, player.add.hud instance.initialize HUD. And then we will say $, up, and then we'll say player, and we'll go players added, and then we'll say yeah, I would need to know the starting health. Which I think could be private. I guess. It could be like a public private. Like it could be like public static, and it could be like starting health, and it could be like get private set. These are like the kind of direct these are the kind of direct like references I would like to avoid, but you know, I'm saving myself by calling it, by saying it's just prototype code. It's just prototype code. Okay. And that's gonna be player health manager dot starting health, whatever that number is. Okay. We've done all of this. None of my UI is created yet, so I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I'm actually kind of excited for Friday, because Friday is gonna be a fun day. We're gonna do a lot of fun stuff on Friday. We're gonna do a lot of fun stuff. We're gonna like we're just gonna do a lot of fun stuff. We're gonna work with shader graph. We're gonna do a shader graph thing. We're gonna learn what the fuck a shader is. We're gonna what else are we gonna do? We're also just gonna juice the fuck out of everything, which is gonna be nice. It's gonna be fun. So I think I'm actually good at Unity. Like I think I actually know like how to do certain stuff. Like in this process, like right now today, I'm just like I'm just banging it out. Okay, we don't have a reference for update health because I don't know. Just like okay. Oh, I'm kind of tired. Tired, sleepy. Who the fuck texted me, bro? My friend texted me. Every time somebody texts me with like a YouTube video now, I feel like, is this the group chat or is this just me? That's funny. I'm gonna mark this as unread though. How do I mark it as unread? Mark as unread. Oh, wait. I should leave a reminder for myself that says respond to Roland's message. Respond to Roland. And then the time should be like, I don't know, 10 or something. We'll be done with this by like 11. We'll respond to Roland at like 11. Boom. Bam. Look at that. Look at that little reminder. He sent me a video. My friend Roland sent me a video of the new code report from Fireship, where it's like every developer's done, absolutely done. Well, I'm not super worried about it, because if AI can help me make more shit faster, then great. So, all right, what was I doing? I don't remember. All right, HUD instance is pretty much done. It just has to update the health. This pretty much does everything. If it contains this instance ID, go and grab it, call update health, and then it's actually supposed to do it. And then player join, initialize everything, grab the components, and then call initialize HUD. And I think that's all the UI needs to do, actually. I think everything is wired up except some stuff. Everything is wired up. Almost. I need to actually make a UI now. Not excited. Not exciting work. Not fun work. But that shouldn't be too hard, because in my deep in my quality drive, I have oh, it's actually not my quality drive. Actually, no. It is deep in my GitHub, in the bowels of the of Yokai Chat, the Yokai Chat project. And if we go to sprites, yeah. Although I think I gotta switch brands. I think I gotta switch branches. I don't think the hearts are in here. The hearts are not. Gotta load that up. Switch branches. Boom. Here they are. Here are the hearts. We'll do red ones. The cool thing about this is that it already gives me a bunch of stuff to work with. Boom, we got hearts.png. And we got a sprite mode multiple. Are these already cut? No. Place. Not that big. Bye. Is it 130? Well, let's try that again. 130? Yeah, it is. And then the X grid is. Oh, is it 130 by 130? No way. No way. Slice. Apply. Yep, and they're all marked. Cool. Okay, and what do I need to do? I need to make a UI. That's one. So I'm gonna move this back over here so I can actually see what the hell's going on. Is this a screen-based canvas or a world-based canvas? This is a screen-based canvas. So I want a new panel. Not that big. Oh, I actually also want well, I need this panel, but I don't want to make it that big. Let's see what else. I want to make it shorter. I want to make it like 200 maybe. Yeah, 200 sounds nice. And then we'll move it down here, move down here, and I think it's Alt. Yeah, it's Alt. And then if I look at that in game, there it is. Get down there, and we'll probably just have everything like semi-transparent. And then, so here, this is our grid. And we will add a vertical, why do I keep saying vertical? It's horizontal. Horizontal layout group. And as of right now, we don't need any padding. But we'll make a panel. Yeah. This will be layer HUD. And this will be of a size. Let's make it red so we can see it. Okay. Yeah, I was thinking making it 200 by 200, but I don't know if that's big enough. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe like 400 by 200? Yeah, that seems fine. And let's make the center and middle center. And then we'll drop the opacity on that to this. Like 18. We'll drop the opacity on this to sort of kind of like that, and then we'll make it white again. Then we're gonna do I have TMP Pro on here? Yeah. We'll do text. Oh, import the essentials. I did not have TMP Pro on here. Let's see what else. Yeah, this is like literally all the fucking boring shit. This is the most boring stuff right here, like the building UI. It's not exciting at all. Nobody gives a fuck. I think I want to put it right here, and Alt it. Yeah. Probably want to auto resize it. Do I have my fonts? I don't have my fucking fonts, dude. How big is it? 200. We can probably make it a little taller. Probably don't want it. Yeah, 75 is probably fine. What now? Oh, I need to move my anchor point to... Is that shift? Is it alt? Is it control? No. There it is. Alright. I was like, is that shift or alt? Okay. And then we want another horizontal layout group. I want like another panel, and then I want a horizontal layout group on the panel. Oh. This is my horizontal. This is my hearts panel. Hearts. Health. I don't know. Fuck. I don't know. Health. Right, fuck it. This is my health. Yeah, this is my health panel. Fuck you. Health panel. Is that an actual L? Yeah, I think it was. This is my health panel. It's not this big. We're not stretching it. That's crazy. You're psychotic. It's... we're gonna do this, and we're also gonna click it, and then we're gonna go up from there. Boom. Okay. We're gonna put a horizontal layout group on this, and then we're gonna add a bunch of images. Let's see what else. No, I don't know. I really don't know. Add a bunch of fucking images. I think this, will this resize? If I duplicate it like a shit ton of images, I gotta like resize? No, they're not. They are not gonna resize. How do I do that? Oh, I think it's here. So we probably want to do middle center. And actually, honestly, the 3 looks really good. We can control the child's scale and the styles, but I don't really want to control the child's size. Hurga. Kind of want him to be 100 by 100. I actually like the way 100 by 100 looked, personally. 100 by 100. I just wanted to see if they would auto scale. No, they don't. Okay, if I control the child size, does it do that? But like, they're like all stacked. Oh no, they're not. They're not all stacked. I don't want it to stretch it horizontally. I want to keep my reverse alignment. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like that one. Don't like that much. Really like the 100 by 100 personally. Okay, so heart. Duplicate, duplicate. Boom. Excellent. Go to my asset. Go to my heart. Check my sprite. Click it. And then we're gonna go duplicate, duplicate. And player HUD panel. So that's my player HUD panel. So this is my UI. Technically, this is my UI. This is my player HUD. I want to attach a player HUD to it. Player HUD instance. So I don't. Fine, whatever. Heart, game, heart, image. So here in our player, oh, hello. Do our player HUD. We want to do our name text, and then we will also want to do our horizontal layout group. Okay. We'll do list image show parts. And then that has to compile. All right, so while we're back here, am I gonna be doing anything? Not really. Because this is initial hearts, other stuff. I might actually offline. And kind of interesting. Am I actually offline? No, not actually offline. I don't know why it's telling me it's unstable, bro. Fuck Twitch, bro. Okay, but everybody else is big chilling. Alright, Unity's probably compiled now. Let's get back to what I was doing. So my eye stings. Alright, so those are my initial hearts. And then what do I want to do? What do I want to do now? Not sure. I probably want to make these hearts a little transparent. Like half? Yeah, I probably want to make like half transparent. And then we'll leave the text there. Probably make this a little more transparent. You don't really need to be able to see it. It's not super important. Text is pretty important, I think. Here's our player HUD. Boom! Here's our player HUD, and then we'll probably get rid of these. Get rid of this. This canvas probably needs UI. Player HUD prefab. Horizontal layout group. So if we duplicated, boom, look at that. Boom, look at that. Look at that. 4 players on the screen. Let's go. I'm gonna delete all of these. This is my UI manager. It's a canvas. I'm gonna put that canvas. Because that's not clear from the. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, so we got that. We got this bad boy. Alright, what else did we make? We made. Oh. I have player labels. Alright, so now, if I were to run this, let's see if it works. I think we're good. I think we hooked everything up. I don't know. If we haven't hooked everything up, we're going to find out. Because it's going to throw me a big fat error. Error. Okay, 3, 2... Oh, look at that. Look at that. Player motherfucking 1. I think... Oh, player motherfucking 2. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Alright, I don't think they can damage each other. But... also need to drop the opacity of this. And then do this. Player health manager. Or sorry, player HUD instance. If parts and I equals initial hearts dot count, and then I less the sorting health, I plus plus, and then we just keep instantiating prefabs. We're gonna do parts dot add range fold. Yeah? Yeah. Any starts on the end range, initial hearts, and I think that's it. Okay, and now we gotta work on. Alright, so we made our health UI. I really don't feel like making any other UI. Holy shit. Alright, hold on. This is my least favorite thing. Every time I make UI, I get sad. Every single time. Every single time I hate fucking UI. So, it's just so boring, dude. So boring, dude. So I need to figure out what we're doing for game over. Because according to this, I need to do win lose, and if I win lose, because on game over I need to start, or when somebody's hearts reach 0, that's a game over. I think I'm just gonna have system notification game over. And then on the system notification game over, I don't think there's a proper game manager actually. Probably just swap scenes. So on system notification dot game over, system notifications, we'll do like a little, like you win. Okay, yeah, we can probably do this on actually we don't have to. Yeah, on system notification dot game over, we can say that UI manager dot game over, display game over UI, and like that could be like a thing. I don't have my font. I don't know where my, I mean I do know where it is, but it's like somewhere in here. All my font files. Wait, did I install that font or no? That's legacy runtime font. Okay. UI, text, UI, fonts and resources. I think I had to like load a font or something. TextMesh Pro, font asset creator, source font. What are these? These are TTF files. Alright, where are my fonts? Custom fonts. Oh, here. I should probably put. Yeah, we need to take some time to do to update the LI package. Probably put our fonts in here too. Here's my TTF. Oh, there it is. Bro. auto sizing, padding, optimum, character set. Yeah, this took me forever to figure out. Generate font alias. Missing characters 2. Save. Can I generate my font now? Cool. $400. You win. You lose. All right, and then what else? Oh, I reset the game. I guess I could can I reload the scene that I'm currently in? Yeah, hey. Reload current scene. Huh. Cool. Scene management. Cool. I could just load the current scene. I could just reload the scene. All right. So this is probably going to be probably like a win text. We're going to do like a lose text because you're a fucking loser. This could be like a lose text. It's gonna be like you lose, but like smaller because no one cares. Probably down here because you're a loser. That's where losers belong. Down in the dumpity. Set it. There we go. You lose. Win text, lose text. We're gonna disable those. Add references to them. It's like TMP underscore text or something. TMP Pro slash TMP underscore text. Yeah. Win text and then lose text. System notification. Yeah, we don't have like a proper game manager. Because technically I would have the game manager reload the scene, but fuck it. Oh, is there no game over event? Game. I should probably make that first. Public. Delegate. Avoid. Game over. Gonna be string. Winner. String. Loser. Post study event. Game over event. Europe. Public static void game over. What do I call that from their health manager? Origin. I'm gonna have a string. Winner and string. Loser. If origin not equal no. And game over. Game over event question mark dot invoke. That's the winner and the loser. Have a game over event. I could just be like game over event plus equals game over handler, and then we'll make that. Probably make a got a game over handler, and then we'll good thing, and then it's like go on the play again button. Might as well, I guess. Do a play again button, then it'll play again. Then it'll reload the scene. All right. Yeah. All right. trying to think. I don't want to do this. Fields. X. Stop it. Start timer. Private. Float. See. Timer. Able. False. Text. Winners win and the losers lose. Loses. Sad face. Guys. Sex.game. Get an active scene. See, manager. Really? And then we'll just reload the scene. That shouldn't cause any problems, I don't think. Start and throw. Else. Restart. 30. X equals starting restart timer. I'm just gonna reload all my stuff. Okay, now how do we do damage? Because we kind of thought about this before, but not like fully. I think there's like a little bit of code for it, but I don't know. Yeah, I think it's in like spell data or spell effect or something. So here's our spell, right? Okay, use spell effect is not implemented. Define possible results. Okay, that's something else. Deal damage to player. Okay. Isn't there like an on trigger? Okay, here we go. We have an on trigger. I don't know if this works. I also don't know if the player tags are tagged as players. Or the player prefix. They are tagged as players. If other player to deal damage to the player. So damage, player's damage. Instance ID. Doesn't spell data like define a damage? No, it does not. Okay. I think the only thing I'm gonna write production ready code for is the interaction system, because if I do that, then, well, I'll have it. Okay, this should work. So if we implement update health, right, which is called from UI manager, contains key update health. We can be like, we can be like update health. Don't we have like hearts? Health? Do you set that equal? Yep. You just say hearts. Remove at the end of the list, and it's gonna be hearts done. Count equals 1. That's gonna be a var, and that's gonna be a heart. And we're gonna say hello. Oh. Okay. Var heart equals hearts count dot 0 or -1. We remove that, and then we deactivate this. Game object dot set active. That'll be false. Okay. So actually, while hearts dot count greater than update health, just keep doing this. Just keep. Yeah, the next thing I need to do is like figure out how to make how to like extend the juice system, because there's this whole powerful tool for tweening, but you cannot do it in the inspector. Yeah. So while count is greater than, remove at count -1. Hopefully that doesn't get me into an infinite loop situation. So the specific fire spell is very specifically doing all of this. How long have we been left? Oh, almost 2 hours. So it looks like this should work, right? All deal damage to player. On trigger, enter. Deal damage to player. System notification. Player was damaged. Player damage dot invoke. And then I think that goes here. Yep. Player damaged. Play with health hammer. Get the thing. I think it should work. Get the thing. Oh. It's like an instance. I need to know the. If player is less than or equal to 0, this is a int loser instance, because I think the UI manager maps these instances. Yep. I don't think player HUD instances allow you to get. Public, that public thing name. Player name text. Game over event. We change these over to an ant. Let me get a string. Owner name equals player wise winner dot name we do the same thing. Loser's name and get the username. The only thing that I'm concerned about is that these IDs are not going to be the same. So the loser instance is going to be this instance ID, and then the int winner instance ID is going to be equal to the other one. Oh, player help dict dot keys. I mean, technically with more players this breaks down, but whatever. Player dot keys dot where where K does not equal loser. Yep. And it's like dot first. So the winner instance ID, and then the loser instance ID, and then that's that. That should work. I think it should all just flow together. It should all mesh together. And then once we get that done, we can get health, damage, win, lose off our list. And then we kind of already made a start scene, sort of. I decided not to make a start scene because I didn't want to. All right, let's test. It's either gonna work or we're gonna get errors. All right, that's how this is gonna go. Like it's gonna be like, okay. Wait, I gotta get the spell. Fuck you, loser. I don't know. Okay, first of all, what is this endless printout of this? Holy shit. Stop. Secondly, Spire spell on trigger enter. I don't even know if it number function dot log. Collided with something. And then collided with layer. Boom. I don't know if these are working. I gotta check to see if it has a collider on the game object. I think it does though. I think there's one in the prefab. Collider is trigger. Oh, they're kind of small though. That's too big. Can we do 50.1? Yeah, 50.1 seems nice. Yeah, that's too small. Let's do 50.1. Well, at least I know, you know? You know? And it is a trigger. Alright, take two! What else is being... like a bunch of stuff from directional aim. No, I need to look up. How does on trigger enter? Game after cause another on trigger happens on 5th update when two game after involved are not always must contain a collider, one happened at bat, and container if both. No collision happens. The same happens when both don't have a rigid body. Okay, well I definitely have a rigid body, I think. Collider. Rigid body. Collider. Rigid body. Alright, what if I just made the radius like really, really far? Alright, I was like directly on top of him. I had nothing. Okay, so I have my fireball. Layer default. Oh, layer player. I just want to know if it requires them to be on the same layer. My God. There's so many of these. Jesus. Wait, is there a 2D version of this? Oh, there is. Trigger events are only sent if one of the colliders also has a rigid body. Trigger events are sent to disabled model behaviors to allow enabling behaviors in response to collisions. Too deep. Too deep. Hello? Ah. Collider 2D. Collider 2D. Doesn't say anything about them having to be on the same layer, so that leads me to believe that they don't need to be on the same layer. We'll try it with the same layer, and then we'll try it. We'll put it back. Oh, my butt. My butt hurts. My tailbone, specifically. Damn. Oh, yep, there it is. His health decrease? His health did not decrease. Did collide with the player, though. His health did not decrease. Alright, what's happening? Alright, we're also gonna move the prefabs back to player layer. System data. Damage. Helper functions. Dot log. Listeners invoke. Who's listening to player damage? Health managers listen to player damage. I actually don't even know if these are working. I was like, they're just kind of. I think they are working, kind of. Health manager, player join. I know I need to test this. And that's probably what we'll spend the rest of today doing. Doing a little testing. And then once we get done, I will end stream and then I will do other stuff. Probably go to bed. I really should be able to get a video out a week. Like, I'm trying to. But if I limit myself... Damn. Okay. Collide with player. That player was damaged. System notified player was damaged. Health manager player was damaged. And then okay. Health manager player was damaged. I know UI manager is working because it's doing this. set to 3. Yeah, it says player 1, player 2.
It's the study of the ways that things are true or false. Some things are possibly true, some are necessarily true. Some used to be true, some will be true. Some are true on this planet, but not necessarily
In others.
So there's no good and bad because the truth is relative. Even if the truth is what you would call relative, good and bad are not relative. Your mistake is that
These
you're
are up.
assuming that because something is true, that it's good. Professor's got you there.
I think the truth is good because it's always real. On any planet.
Only awareness can make reality. And only what's real can become a dream. And only from a dream can you wake to the
Updating health. Update health. Ugh. Okay, we know that the collider works. So stopping and starting, we're just going to connect to debug. Did that change? Yeah. That had to have changed. Doesn't contain this key. Nope. That's 388. Does not contain 388. And what I feared has come to pass. Alright, so basically these instance IDs that we're passing around, not Yeah. Player 94 was damaged. Collided with something. Collided with player 94. I think that's what it is. Yeah, it's gotta be because it was referencing itself instead of not itself. We should see all the things here. Whatever. I was like, wait, where are these instance IDs coming from? They're being grabbed. Me. Yep, there it is. Boom. One more heart. Damn. That's definitely gonna have to be... Alright, so we're definitely gonna have to implement the flick. I just wanted to stop doing it for a little bit. That's pro. All right, so yeah, if you go through and you remove the last one and equals 0, just breaks. Start timer. Three. Oh, I think that's it. This will cross those off. Oh, I actually do need to implement the flick. Back to the math. The back to the math. Ooh, this is actually pretty good because then we get to work on like do some more Quaternion stuff. I mean, the Quaternion video is like at least like a week out. At least 2 weeks out. It's probably 2 weeks out. Thirty seconds is way too long. That's what I've learned. Plus, it's down there anyway. Hmm? I should have my horizontal group, doesn't it?
Wherever you go, I'm always with you.
Yeah, the flick is crucial to the gameplay. I'm the player now. Shit. Damn. Fuck. I'm the player now. Okay. No. Missing reference. Directional aim has been destroyed, but you're still trying to access it. It's crazy. Wow. Missing reference while executing perform callback. Okay. Apparently restarting my scene over and over again. Not gonna work. Yeah, we just gotta do flicks. We have to implement the flicks, which is gonna require a little returning. Well, at least that's fucking exciting. Holy shit. At least I'm gonna have something to say about that. I mean, although I always said, I'm always saying, I was like, yeah, I should probably just do the UI shit off stream. I just never did it. I just never did it off stream. Oh, now I'm doing it on stream. Alright, so implement health and damage. Done. Implement win lose. Done. Hello? Can you? Hello? Alright, whatever. Make a start scene. I'm not doing that. Not gonna make a start. I'm not gonna do that shit. Still do have to make a start scene. Done that. Create and spawn player health. Did that. Alright. So we gotta make a start scene, which I might do off stream. And then I gotta make something else. And then I gotta... Oh, and then we're just doing juice. Oh, right. The other thing I need to do is I have to implement the flick. Without the flick, it does not feel right. Implement the flick. Hey. That's gonna be some more Quaternion stuff, and maybe a little bit of something else, but that's definitely some Quaternion stuff, I think. Or maybe not. I'm not sure. But I still gotta do it. So, that's what we're gonna be doing. So for, today is Wednesday. So for Friday, we're probably gonna do this. Well, actually, we need to do implement the flick. That's Friday. Implement juice, sound and visuals. Make a start scene. I should do that tomorrow. I'm gonna set a reminder of myself to make a start scene in like an hour. And just swap to it. So we're gonna do the days in red and implement click game. That's gonna be Friday. If that doesn't take all 3 hours, we will figure out juice, do some little visuals and sound, do a little shader graph. That'll be Friday. And then make a start scene. That'll be Thursday. Hopefully, I'll set that alarm. Make a little heads up display. Probably not gonna do that. And then we'll do this on Saturday. And then that'll be it. I think that'll be enough to find out if it's fun. I'll probably have to heavily tweak the player controller, but you know, that's its own thing. And with that, I will be going to bed. Maybe. Probably should. Should I? Yeah. I like the feeling of editing in the morning, so maybe I'll edit in the morning. Alright. Oh, wait, let me set my reminder to tomorrow. We're gonna edit. So new title. And we're gonna do make a game scene. Do that tomorrow on the 14th at 10 p.m. or like 6 p.m. Boom, and then Friday we'll start bright and early. I work from home that day, so we're gonna leave work a little early and start stream at 5. And then Saturday we're gonna start streaming whenever the fuck I start stream on Saturday. So, and then hopefully we'll do our stream Saturday, finish editing, and then I have a video out, and it'll be cool and fun. All right, that's it. Thanks for coming out. I'll be back in the future. Definitely not a week this time.